Hello friends, welcome back to our show. My name is Kausalya. In the last episode, we have learned the basics of average and we solved few problems. In today's episode also, we shall continue to solve few problems based on averages. In today's episode, we are going to learn a few problems based on average. Let us see this question today. The total marks obtained by a student in physics, chemistry and mathematics together is 120 more than the marks obtained by him in chemistry, and what is the average marks obtained by him in physics and mathematics together. So we got 5 options here. First one is 40, second one is 60, third one is 120, fourth one cannot be determined, and fifth one none of these. How do we solve this question? Here in the question they've said the student scored physics, chemistry, maths put together 120 more than marks obtained by him in chemistry. So physics plus chemistry plus maths is equal to 120 times more than chemistry, right? 120 plus C. Now C on both sides will get cancelled. We are left with P plus M is equal to 120. Here they've asked us what is the average marks obtained by him in physics and mathematics together. So physics and mathematics, we have to find out the average of these two. What is actual average? It is sum of the observation divided by the number of observation. Here it is physics and maths, which is sum by 2. The number of observation, physics and maths 2. So here also it will be 2. So 60 will be the answer. Option B is the correct answer. What if in the question we were asked to find out the average of maths and chemistry or chemistry and physics? Do you think you'll be able to find out? No. Why? Because we do not have M plus C by 2 or we don't have P plus C by 2 also. So if we don't have those values, we won't be able to find out the average. Let us see the next question. The average of 4 positive integers is 59. The highest integer is 83 and the lowest integer is 29. The difference between the remaining two integers is 28. Which of the following integers is higher of the remaining two integers? So the option A is 39, option B is 48, option C is 76, option D cannot be determined, and option E none of these. So these are the options what we've got in the question. Now what have they told us? Average of 4 integers is 59. So average of 4 integers is 59. And then the second condition is highest integer is 83. So let's write 83 here. And the lowest integer is 29. So let's write 29 this side. And we have to find out the highest number of the remaining two digits. And what is the condition for the remaining two digits? Difference between the remaining two digits is 28. So the number which we have to find out, let's consider it as x. Because we have to find out the highest number, the other number has to be 28 less than x. So let's write that as x minus 28. Right? So now 29 minus 28 is 1. 83 plus 1 will be 84. So this will be 2x plus 84 and this 4 goes there. So this is 59 into 4. What is 59 into 4? 236. How did we get that? 60 into 4 is 240. Then minus 4 will be 236. So this is 2x is equal to 236 minus 84. Now we have to find out x, right? So let's divide this by 2. Now we can first divide this by 2 and also divide this by 2. So this will be 118 minus 84 divided by 2 will be 42. and then 118 minus 42 will be 76. So x is 76, which means the highest digit of these two will be 76, and that is option C. Let us see the next question. The average of 5 consecutive numbers is x. If the next two numbers are also included, how shall the average vary? And we got 4 options here. The first one is it shall increase by 1. The second one is it shall remain the same. Third one, it shall increase by 1.4. And the fourth one, it shall increase by 2. So in the question they've given us the average of 5 consecutive numbers, which is x. So let us call this consecutive numbers as a plus 1 plus a plus 2 plus a plus 3 plus a plus 4, because these are all consecutive numbers, divided by 5 because it's the average, which is equal to x, right? So what happens to this? This will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So 5a plus 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 7 is 10. 10 divided by 5 is equal to x. So 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. So a is equal to x minus 2, right? Now what do we have to find out? We have to find out if the next two numbers are included, how shall the average vary? If I include the next two numbers, this will become plus a plus 5 plus a plus 6 divided by, this will become 7, because for average it is the number of observations. So here there is 7 number, right? So this becomes 7a plus 10 plus 11 is 21. 21 divided by 7, right? So here this is a plus 3. But what we want it in the x format, because in the question we got the average as x. So here a value can be written as x minus 2 from previous one. So x minus 2 plus 3. So this becomes x plus 1. So when the two more numbers are added to this consecutive numbers, the average will increase by 1, because here we got x plus 1. So option A is the correct answer. So this is a standard way of solving this question. However, if you don't know this, you can also use the values of these consecutive numbers and solve it. You can probably take it as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Or I can even take much simpler numbers. I shall take minus 2, minus 1, 0, plus 1 and plus 2. Let's try that. Minus 2 plus minus 1 plus 0 plus 1 plus 2. In the question they have not told that it is negative number or a positive number. So we can take minus values as well. So this divided by 5. So minus 1 plus 1 gets cancelled. Minus 2 plus 2 gets cancelled. 0 by 5 will be 0, right? So average is 0. X value becomes 0 here. Now what we have to find out? We have to find out the next two numbers. If it is included to this particular numerator, how shall the average vary? So if I have to add the next two numbers, this becomes plus 3 plus 4 and divided by 7. So this is 7 by 7. So this is 1. So in the first step we got the average as 0, which was x. Now in the second step we got the average as 1, which is 1 more than 0. So it shall increase by 1. So whenever this kind of questions are given, always take smaller numbers or the comfortable numbers to solve it. So you will get the answers very easily and quickly. It will be time saving. If you do the standard way, you will waste a lot of time. The standard way is shown to you only because you are clear with the concept. So friends, in today's episode we have solved 3 problems, and I've also shown you a standard way of solving the problem as well as some simpler way by taking some least values to solve the problems. I hope you have all understood. All these problems have appeared one or the other previous year competitive exams. So practice it well, and we shall try to solve few more problems in the coming episodes based on averages. Until then, keep watching us, and if you have liked the video, please do hit the like button, share it with your friends, and you can send your feedback in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.